MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Rain-X, Hum by Verizon, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
We spent the day on the windy roads just outside of Santa Monica, California with the new 2019 Volvo S60. Volvo is pushing for the S60 to be referred to as a sport sedan, and the surprising amount of grip on bendy canyon roads was more than we were expecting. But the steering can feel a little bit synthetic. Although the 2-liter inline-4 produces 316 horsepower, it can seem underpowered at times, but the 8-speed automatic transmission does a fine job transferring power smoothly. Compared to the last generation, this version is 5 inches longer and gives plenty more rear legroom. Volvo's Pilot Assist has also been updated and works great. For tech, this sedan is equipped with the typical infotainment that's standard with all Volvos, which may take some getting used to. After investing $1.1 billion in a new plant in Ridgeville, South Carolina, the S60 is the first Volvo made in the United States. Within the next few years, Volvo says that they will also make the next generation XC90 luxury SUV in the same plant. Great looks and a comfortable interior paired with tons of tech make the S60 a great cruiser. It's not a full-blown sports car, more of a luxury car, but with some sporty parts added for good measure. Keep it locked to MotorWeek for a full road test coming soon.